Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this class, let us learn how to derive the dimensional formula of some constants. The first and foremost constant what I will choose, it is a gravitational constant. Gravitational constant. It is one of the very important constant, universal law of gravitation. So here what we can understand, the gravitational constant. If you wanted to derive the dimensional formula of any physical quantity, first you should know what about its formula. If you don't know formula, it is very difficult to derive, or you cannot derive at all if you don't know the formula. And according to Newton's law of gravitation, imagine if there are two bodies. If there are two bodies, these two bodies having the mass. Let m1 be the mass of the body A and m2 be the mass of the body B. Now, imagine these two bodies are separated by a distance small r. According to Newton's law of gravitation, the force of attraction between these two masses is directly proportional to their product of the masses and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. So immediately you can write, imagine if there are two bodies, always there is an attractive force between two bodies according to Newton's law of gravitation. If you club the force of attraction directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. So what we can do actually, we can write the formula now. F is proportional to m1 m2 by r square. m1 m2 by r square. So now it implies what you can write actually, F is equal to some constant m1 into m1 m2 divided by r square. So what is that constant? That constant only they told it is a universal gravitational constant. If there is any proportionality sign like that, you can equate and by putting one constant. So this is what we should know. So now what is actually here? The F is the force and G is the gravitational constant, and it is abbreviated by the symbol or letter capital G. M1 is mass, R is the separation between two masses. Now our intention to write the dimensional formula of gravitational constant. What is gravitational constant here? G is equal to F r square divided by m1 m2. G is equal to F r square divided by m1 into r m2. Now it is better to know what are the units. You know that the SI unit of force is Newton. Here you can write it is a Newton. SI unit of distance is meter, r square is Newton meter square. SI unit of mass, kg into kg, it becomes kg square. Kg square. Now what actually basically Newton indicates that F is equal to m into a, right? F is equal to m into a. What is m? M is nothing but kg meter per second square. Kg meter per second square. So if you substitute here kg meter s to the power minus 2 into meter square divided by kg square. Divided by kg square. Okay, now what you can write actually here, for example, if you write in this case, if you write easily what is the SI unit? Dimensional formula. Now what I have taken? Kg in numerator, kg denominator square, so it becomes immediately you can write it is nothing but kg to the power minus 1. Here meter square, so you are getting m to the power 3, and here you are getting s to the power minus 2. S to the power minus 2 you are getting, you can write as it is s to the power minus 2. And it is the SI unit of gravitational constant. So you can easily write what is the SI unit of gravitational constant. So immediately you can write now how to transform this SI unit into gravitational constant dimensional formula. So what you can write here? You can write here kg, capital M is the dimension of kg, capital L is the dimension of meter or length, capital T is the dimension of time. So you can write dimensional formula of gravitational constant is m to the power 1 minus 1, L to the power 3, T to the power minus 2 is the dimensional formula of gravitational constant. In that way, you can understand, you can find out what is the dimensional formula of any physical quantity if you know its formula. Thank you for watching this video.